Hello everyone. Today is November 6th, 2022. I hope you are having an awesome day. It is sunny and a beautiful day here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Patrick here. Thank you for joining Stephanie and me on the Sizzle and Fizzle Product Review Podcast. Today I shall provide a brief review of the YouTube creator helper software, called TubeBuddy. Full disclosure, I am an absolute rank beginner when it comes to SEO, keyword optimization, and just in general, anything to do with trying to rank high in the YouTube search engine. So, my review will be based on this confession to one and all, plus, I am using the free version of TubeBuddy. So what, you say? For starters, my access to the true power of TubeBuddy is extremely limited because I am using the free version. As soon as I can scrape together the needed funds, I will purchase the pro version of TubeBuddy. If all goes well, I'll do a second more comprehensive review at that time, after at least a 90-day evaluation period. From my admittedly very limited experience in using TubeBuddy, I am giving this software a conditional sizzle rating, and I'm sharing the subscribe link below and at the end of this podcast, so you may at the very minimum, at least try out the free version for yourself. You will be able to get up to speed on TubeBuddy's website by not only learning how to use TubeBuddy, but you will also learn about all the awesome perks and freebies you will get in return for your paying what I believe to be a reasonable annual subscription fee. There are 3 tiers you can subscribe to: Pro, Star, and Legend. The TubeBuddy website explains the differences among all 3. Check out their awesome website to see what you are missing if you don't at least try the free version of TubeBuddy. https://tubebuddy.com. = The Patrick and Stephanie Show. Conclusion and the takeaways. To summarize, TubeBuddy comes with a variety of plans from free to its 3-tier premium packages depending on the need of the user. It also comes with an enterprise plan for users managing more than 20 YouTube channels. TubeBuddy, keeping up with its competitors, also provides a free plan. But as expected, this plan does not give access to a wide variety of features, while limited access is granted in some features like thumbnail generator, playlist actions, keyword explorer, and video lyrics. It grants complete access to a few low-level productivity tools like the Quick Edit toolbar, only 3 SEO tools that include tag rankings and tag sorter, and a few data and research tools like search insights and channel valuation. But it does provide access to the best time to publish too. The TubeBuddy website proves more detail concerning the differences among the 3 plans. $5.99 month is for the Pro plan, $14.99 per month is for the Star plan, and $29.99 per month is for the Legend plan. The monthly rate, if you subscribe on an annual basis, are as follows. Pro plan, $4.80 per month. If you have less than 1,000 subscribers, the price is $2.40, if you use the coupon code, RISING. Star Buddy. Star plan, $11.99 per month, and for the Legend plan, $23.99 per month. Thank you for watching until the end, everyone. Let me know how you liked my review of TubeBuddy if you can. Patrick and Stephanie signing off until our next product review.